Hey, have you thought about making a puzzle using Canva template? They actually have a puzzle template out there. Hi, I'm Lady Terri B Jones, and I'm sharing with you some Canva templates where you can use them to create products or services for your business, existing a product that you're selling, and also to be able to make some passive income. Okay, and of course, you guys know I am the creator of the Church Grower board game, and I want to show you all how I created a puzzle template using Canva. How cool is that? Okay, and so what can you do with this puzzle template? You can actually take this template and upload it to as a print on demand puzzle, and definitely you can get it created so that those you can put it on your website, okay, with your existing product or service. Or you can actually take the template once you create your particular product or service that you want to make. Okay, then what you would do, you would email it, okay, to those who are on your email list as a cutout. Okay, they can cut it out and get to experience, your puzzle. Okay, and then once they experience it from just a regular PDF download, then what you can do is offer them to get the actual puzzle sent to them as a puzzle in a puzzle format. Okay, you know how you go to the grocery store, Walmart or whatever, and you buy puzzles. Okay, definitely you'll be able to have your puzzle, on as a print on demand, whether you put it on Etsy, your website, Shopify, any of those types of concepts. So I'm going to just switch my screen over so you can get an idea of what puzzle I created. And so you can see here, I created this puzzle. There it is of my the board, the actual board of my Bible trivia with a board game that I use. And you'll see it says puzzle, the Church Grower game. Okay, and the instructions is just to print the puzzle on some thick paper or cardstock, and then that way it can be used, reused. Okay, and also then you will cut the pieces out. Okay, and after you cut the pieces out, and then you can actually play the game with your family and friends, right? How cool is that? Okay, just coming up with another really cool concept, of create a Bible trivia with a twist board game church. Okay, and so anyway, in the meantime, I would love for you to give someone a hug, show someone a smile, and let someone know that Jesus loved them and you do too. I look forward to you, purchasing the Church Drawer board game at terribjones.com.